So my name's John Miller. I'm the Vice President of the Americas for BioT Medical. We're a platform as a service that powers the cloud for about 30 plus medical device companies and brings for them a validated, patented platform for developing cloud native medical devices in a more efficient pattern than other ways possible. We provide and help them bring forward a variety of data, applications, and observations that allow them to bring a connected platform in a way that actually hits all of the critical regulatory, cybersecurity, and privacy guidelines of medical devices. So our company, we're presenting and we're on a few panels as well. What we're doing here is that we have actually customers that are startups and young companies that are using our platform to accelerate time to market and build out kind of an overall offering. So we're here meeting with some of our customers, and we're also looking at all the innovation that's here, because what we're really trying to do is help CEOs and founders of young companies really focus who they hire to build their product faster. And we bring forward a number of the things, not only on the technology capability, but everything related to submissions, pivotal trials, clinical trials, and ultimately into operations. So ultimately what we're trying to do is that there is a reality that what we're doing is we're bringing forward a cloud platform that is abstracted from all the general capabilities of a cloud provider. You could go do that yourself, and it's going to take a number of years, and then every time something changes, you're going to need to do it. So ultimately, what we're doing is we're abstracting that, we're actually assisting things. We have what we call a self-service platform, so the customers can sustain what they do. So we're building a platform that they can really adopt and own, and do so faster without all the complexities associated with it. The other thing that's unique is we actually run the cloud operations for the customer. We sign a business associate agreement, so we take some risk in the execution, and we kind of are really become part of their organization, which is different from just some generic platforms. We're actually not trying to do yet another project. The concept of a platform is that it is something that actually the customer can adopt and live with. And what's unique about our platform is we actually really enable and onboard the customer such that they can own, modify, sustain very, very quickly in the platform. And as we evolve the platform, they get those capabilities straight out the back. So it's one of those things where there's lots of benefits relative to the customer looking at this, and they don't have to have all of the tech skills that are underneath the plumbing of BioT. What we're trying to do is focus not only on all of the important aspects relative to patient outcomes, but also there's a lot of an administrative challenge with device operations, business operations. And our platform natively is trying to help customers address the entire aspect and do so that they can very quickly deal with the ecosystem that they have to worry about. So we're addressing a full spectrum of a device platform. This is actually our second time at LSI. We've previously been to the event last year that was in the UK, and it was phenomenal for us. The networking, the learning, the cooperation was just great. It's nice kind of being in a group of people with the same charge. So this is our first time in LA, or Southern California, which is exciting. The Americas is a very important market to us. We already have customers in the theater, but this is a great way to kind of reach that. And also, since it's pulling from an international crowd, we sort of get the best of both. But it's very, very exciting here, and just we see customers that are here that are ours, and some prospects, so it's a great way to network, but it's also a great way to learn more for all the innovation.